How to change Weverse nickname. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to change Weverse nickname, open the Weverse application on your device first. You will be led to the home page of Weverse. Make sure you are logged in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings button on the top right of your screen. Here under your name, you will see the option for account settings. Tap on that and now under my account, you will see the option for nickname. So tap on the change option beside nickname and now go ahead and change your nickname. I will just add in an extra letter. You can add name up to maximum 32 characters including letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you are done changing your name, tap on the save button and as you can see the pop-up that says your edits have been saved. So tap on OK and then on done, and with this you can see the nickname has been changed. And this is how you can change nickname on Weverse. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.